Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, in the last lecture, we discussed about affirmative, negative, and interrogative past tense. Today, we will discuss and know about Abwab al-Thalathi al-Mujarrad, the patterns of origin three-lettered verbs. In Arabic language, verbs can be of 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, and sometimes all letters can be original, and sometimes some letter can be original and some can be extra. If the verbs of 3 letter has all 3 letters original, then these kinds of verbs will be called al-af'al al-thulathi al-mujarrad. Look at this table carefully and try to understand. According to the harka of second letter of Madi and Mudare, there will be 6 patterns of Af'al al-Thulathi al-Mujarrad. Look here. First pattern is Fa'ala yaf'alu. And one thing more you should keep in your mind, that these origin 3 letters have given the symbolic name, which you should keep in mind. You should remember, you should memorize it, that first origin letter will be called Fa Kalima, and second origin letter will be called Ain Kalima, and third origin letter will be called Lam Kalima. For example, form of Mudare will be Yaf'alu. Ya is the sign of Mudare, it is not origin letter, so forget about it. Look ahead. Fa, second letter is Fa. Fa is Fa Kalima, and Ain is Ain Kalima, and Lam is Lam Kalima. Look at the next example. Fataha. So these 3 letters are origin letters. So Fa will be Fa Kalima, Ta will be Ain Kalima, Ha will be Lam Kalima. In Yaftahu, Ya is a sign of Mudare. Leave it. Go to the next. Fa. Fa is Fa Kalima, Ta is Ain Kalima, and Ha is Lam Kalima. And Abwab will be decided according to the harka of second letter. For example, Fa and Lam. So the according to the harka of Ain Kalima in Madi and Mudare both. So in first pattern, Fa'ala yaf'alu. So here Ain Kalima in Madi and Ain Kalima in Mudare both have Zabar, Fatha. So this pattern will be called, for example, Fataha Yaftahu, and many hundred and thousands verbs will come on this pattern. But this pattern is also given a separate name, which is called Fataha Yaftahu, Babe Fataha. Any other word what will come on this pattern will be called that this verb is on the pattern of Fataha Yaftahu. When you see the dictionary, consult dictionary, there also will be written after Madi and Mudare Fa in the bracket. It means this verb is from Bab Fataha Yaftahu. Next, go to the next. Number 2. Pattern number 2. Bab number 2. Fa'ala. Mazi will be same, but difference will be in mudari. Yaf'ilu. In first ain kalima, on ain kalima there was zabar, and here will be zair. Fa'ala yaf'alu, fa'ala yaf'ilu. For example, daraba yadribu, and many other verbs will come on this pattern. Thousands, hundred words will come, verbs will come on this pattern, and this pattern given the name of bab daraba, bab daraba yadribu. Go to the next. Fa'ala in madi will be the same, zabar on ain kalima, but in mudare will be difference. What difference will be here? That in ain kalima here will be pesh. Fa'ala yaf'ulu. For example, nasara yansuru. And this pattern is given the name nasara yansuru. Bab nasara yansuru. Any verb which come on this pattern will be called that this verb is according to bab nasara yansuru. Go to the next. Here the difference in madi and mudari both. Fa'ila here on ain kalima is zair, and in mudari also there. Fa'ila yaf'ilu. For example, hasiba yahsibu, and other many verbs also come on this pattern, and this pattern is named bab hasiba yahsibu. Go to the next pattern number 5, bab number 5. Fa'ila again will be same in madi, will be zair on ain kalima, but in mudari on ain kalima will be zabar. Fa'ila yaf'alu. In fourth there was fa'ila yaf'ilu, but in fifth will be fa'ila yaf'alu. For example, sami'a yasma'u. तो listen के meaning में है. And this the name of this pattern will be sami'a yasma'u, and every verb which what will come on this pattern will be called that these verbs are called are on the pattern of sami'a yasma'u. Next, number 6. Fa'ula in madi on ain kalima will be pesh, fa'ula, and in mudari also on ain kalima will be pesh, fa'ula yaf'ulu. For example, karuma yakrumu. So this pattern, any verb which come on this pattern will be named that this verb is according to the karuma, fa'ula yaf'alu, karuma yakrum, bab from bab karuma yakrumu. So keep in your mind and learn by heart that there are 6 abwab patterns of Sulasi al-Mujarrad. The verbs which have 3 original letters, they are: number 1, fataha yaftahu. First bab is fataha yaftahu. Number 2, zaraba yadribu. Bab number 3, nasara yansuru. Bab number 4, hasiba yahsibu. Number 5, sami'a yasma'u. Bab number 6, karuma yakrumu. In first, in madi and mudari, ain kalima both are maftuh. It means both letters given zabar. In second bab, in bab daraba yadribu, second later given zabar in madi, and in mudare given zair. In third bab, second later given zabar in madi, and in mudare second original letter given pesh. In fourth, in madi second letter given zair, in mudare also second original letter given zair. In fifth bab number 5, second letter of the verb given zair, and in mudare second original letter given zabar. In bab 5, second letter given pesh in madi and in mudare. In both places given pesh. Hope you understood. Uh, uh, See you in the next video, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.